Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have your basic tools ready: a soft pencil, eraser, and paper. Begin with a quick gesture, long sweeping lines to capture motion and direction. Once the pose reads, build simple shapes, ovals for masses, rectangles for limbs, and short connectors for joints. This gives structure without detail. Make sure to keep marks light so you can erase later. This first pass sets proportion, so pause and compare parts. Adjust scale or tilt now before refining contours. Now move from blocks to a controlled outline. Trace the silhouette and define major edges with smoother, confident strokes. Work in small sections and look at negative spaces between shapes to correct relationships. This improves accuracy. Once done, darken the intended final lines using firmer pressure or a slightly harder pencil while keeping construction marks faint. Make sure to refine tricky joins, elbows, knees, and overlaps, so the outline reads clearly. Pause. Step. You're ready to finish. Carefully ink or darken the chosen outline, varying line weight to imply depth, thicker where forms meet, thinner on distant edges. Once the ink dries, erase the construction sketch to reveal a clean contour. Then restore any softened edges and add minor details like overlaps or small cutouts. If something looks off, make measured corrections instead of heavy erasing. And if lines wobble, use short, confident strokes and anchor your wrist against the page. This stabilizes motion and produces cleaner outlines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.